What's up guys, and welcome back to the Crazy Brick. And today on the Crazy Brick, we got for you guys the mock contest results of the first round. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into the results of the first round. I'd like to say there were a decent amount of entries this round, or for this contest. Last contest there was a lot more. A lot of people were going to enter and then they just didn't have time. Which, hey, it's okay, but yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and get into, we have 9 people, we have 9 people that made it to the next round. There were some awesome mocks, very good techniques used. We have 1 honorable mention, so let's go ahead and get the honorable mention. In the honorable mention spot, we have MINEREVLGUY Productions and his Rescue on a Snowy World freeform mock for Dark Times. This is a very nice mock here. I really like, if you guys can see the legs, how he executed that on like the Ahsoka-like character. Very nice how he did that. And I do like the Clone Trooper, which I believe is his like signature fig. I'm not positive, but yeah, guys, a very nice collapse building and freeform, but was not good enough to get into the next round. So thank you for entering, but sadly you did not make it to the next round. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into 9th place. 9th place goes to Lego World War Bricks, or WW Bricks. A Lego World MW mock infiltration for Crazy Bricks mock contest. Now, the real reason why this thing got in was the landing pad and the way he executed this water technique. The water is like probably the best part of this. I love how he built that underground, like the underneath the water, and I love how he's got like these secret agents swimming around in there and then coming up to attack this base. Very nice mock. I believe that's a custom helicopter as well. Very nice mock. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into number 8. So number 8 on our list goes to World War Bricks Taking Back the Trenches mock, entry into Crazy Bricks competition. So let's go ahead and skip to the mock. Oh wait, it's about like 50 seconds in. Alright, here we go. He has 232 subs. It's going to be 250 after this. Alright, so there we go. I believe that's a Citizen Brick torso with some, or maybe a minifigure torso, older one, and minifigure pants and stuff. But I really love how he executed these curved trenches. I love that technique. I've yet to do that in a video. I actually have worked on that before, but just never showed it on my channel. I've done stuff like that before, and maybe this kind of gives me some inspiration to maybe make a big trench like that. So very nice mock. It's a battle of the bulge, definitely, with Germans and Americans storming. And then moving on, in 7th place, we have, or for this round, you know, because you guys are going on the next round, World War Brick. We just had World War Bricks, and now we're on to World War Bricks, building the Battle of Sami and Lego finale. He got 505 views on this. Very nice work. Awesome World War I Battle of Sami. Absolutely epic build. Great lighting on this as well, too. He's just got a bunch of Germans in this very fortified trench. Barbed wire everywhere. Just absolutely epic, awesome mock. So yeah guys, moving on to, I believe, 6th place. 6th place. Yeah, 6th place. We have LWSA Studios Dark Times RPG Abandoned Building mock. And this mock, here we go. It's about to be a very awesome mock. So here we go. There's a nice story to go along with it as well, but I'll just skip to the mock. You guys, all these will be in the link below, in the description below, and there will also be a playlist of all the mocks. So here we go. We have the mock here. I really like how he did this base around it with the dark bluish gray vents. And I love how he's got like these like dugout areas with like some rubble in like these little holes and stuff. He's got this awesome I just skip past it, but you can see the back of like the Jedi. Very nice. I really like how that turned out. So there must be like a Jedi temple or some Jedi shrine around here. So this is Order 66. Obviously, we have there's 2 Wolfpack troopers firing upon this Jedi. Very nice. Moving on, we have in 5th place, I believe. Yeah, 5th place. LWSA Productions Lego Star Wars clone base on Kashyyyk. And this, as you guys know, if you guys aren't already subscribed to him, I believe everyone on my channel is probably subscribed to him. I mean, he's only got about 1,000 subscribers right there. So yeah, guys, as you guys probably have seen his videos, he is a master at clone bases. He's won a mock contest, I believe, twice. So this is definitely putting him into the next round. So he's got another mock to build, and let's see what he can do next round. This mock turned out amazing. I love this door up here. This clear, window. This clear window right here. It's also got like a bunker on the hill here. Kind of reminds me of like a D-Day bunker. Very nice rock work as well. And then the beach. Awesome work there. So yeah, guys, very nice how this turned out. Yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get into the next one, which is YT Brick Builds Ambushed in Normandy, a LEGO World War II mock. This mock absolutely turned out awesome. Very nice. It's got like 945 views. Very nice here. Awesome work. There's just so much. It's so packed with soldiers and detail. Turned out absolutely epic. You guys can probably hear the music. The music's a little loud on this, so let's turn that down. So he's got 3 different Brickmania vehicles, I believe, on here. A beep and a half track, and I believe 2 Brickmania vehicles, and he has a anti-tank gun. I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, right there. I believe that's like a flak of some sort. There's no clear picture of it right now, but yeah, guys, let's move on to the next one. Oops. So I just went there. Let's move on to the next one. Here we go. Let's see. In 3rd place, we're getting into the top 3, and the top 3 are absolutely epic. By Hartman, we have Lego Star Wars Endomach Ahsoka Tano versus Darth Vader. Just noticed I wasn't subscribed there. I'm pretty sure I was before. Lego Star Wars mock Ahsoka Tano versus Darth Vader face off on Endor. This mock, just look at inside this like tunnel. This is absolutely epic work. And then up here, is absolutely epic. This tree is massive. We got this walker here, bunch of different rocks, but inside that tunnel is what's amazing. That work in there is absolutely epic. Up here, that's also a custom ATRT. I'm pretty sure the tree is such a lush, like giant, lush tree. It's awesome. But this is what really blew me away, was in here. All of these pillars and all of this work on the outsides and stuff, or in the insides, and all the different wedge plates you use to execute these awesome angles and stuff, turned out absolutely epic. So that is why he is in the top 3. But the top 2 are even better than this. So let's go ahead and get into the top 2. Number 2 of this round goes to Mix the Bricks. I love how he just destroys it right there. A Lego Star Wars Crisis on Coruscant Part 1 mock collab with J&H Bricks. Technique breakdown. This is just the technique breakdown, but yeah, guys, he also got the hashtag Crazy Brick. I like how you put that there. But yeah, guys, this turned out awesome. The rocks, the wall work is awesome. I believe this is some sort of Jedi, very high Jedi. I read the story a long time ago. The Busiest Skies of Coruscant, you can read that. Oh, it's a Princess Aelana. I can't really say that. I don't know how to say that. So he's got like the Jedi guarding, and then the Senate guards. So yeah, I like how he uses those backpacks, make like a cool tower. And there's like a sniper about to assassinate her. Very nice work. But number 1 goes to, of this round, that is, it could obviously turn out different, Flamebrix. This mock was absolutely epic. It is called Crashed on Batuu, Lego Star Wars mock from Flamebrix. This mock is absolutely epic. We got 2 awesome trees. And then this water turned out so cool. We got the First Order just storming, or not storming, the First Order just like pulling out all these dead rebel troopers that have crashed on this like rebel, I forget the exact name of this rebel ship, but he really did soup this up very, very nicely. Very, very, very nicely. So yeah, very nice. Yeah, the water and all the different green and brown and dark tan, like the slopes, jumper plates, dark tan, the weeds, everything turned out so good. Just an overgrown ship. Absolutely awesome. So yeah, right here you can see the pilot with the skeleton head. That turned out very nice, and skeleton arm. That's very, very cool. So yeah, guys, that wraps up the top 9 plus an honorable mention. Remember, the 9 who made it into the next round, you guys have till, I believe, January 23rd to submit your next mock, and the next round is the final, or second final round, because this is the second round we're going into, and then the top 5 from these 9, 4 will be kicked out, and then the top 5 will have to build another mock. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. There will be a lot more videos coming out this week. I have a bunch planned, so hopefully you guys will be seeing a minifig haul if that arrives, Iwo Jima update, and a new studio tour. So yeah, guys, be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here on the Crazy Brick.